Today is day 2 of Auckland. We are in Woolworths right now. What you getting? Onions? Which one is good? I shouldn't touch these. Ooh, is this key? What's this? Cart. $3.49. Okay. Packet. I don't think there's packets. Maybe tell the grandma. Maybe she has some ideas. Hey, man. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Is there cheese? We have cheese. These are bread. No. Let's go. There's no donut. Is there any donuts? Tinka. Hey, yeah.
Normal bread, no?
There's $2.70. Oh my gosh. Too much. Sorry. Cabbage. How much is cabbage? Do we need cabbage? Can we have carrots? Carrot me? Oh. 2. That means we got $3 in total. We have 3. I am holding. I do today? Ma? I do today? Oh my gosh, it's so cold. How the flip am I with one hand? Oh my gosh. Oh, flip. Okay, I think I'm all flipped out of the mic. Oh, it's a bag. There should be 2. I don't know. Let's add it. It's really cold. Wait, I can do see. Guta. Put in the onions. Let's go. That's not this way. Straight. Do we need capsicum? Coleslaw? Crispy. We got food. Egg? Customer service. Cornflakes. Crunchy nut. Wheat Bix. I didn't need.